One of the first things that happens after an individual is charged is an initial appearance. An initial appearance is the first appearance in federal court after an individual has been either charged through an indictment or through a complaint. At that initial appearance, the individual is informed of the charges against them. They are given an attorney if they qualify for one, a public defender, or they can choose their own counsel and hire counsel. The charges are read to them. They are given a chance to plead not guilty. And usually immediately after the initial appearance, when they're informed of the charges, is a bond hearing. The bond hearing is where the judge chooses to set conditions of bond if appropriate, and an individual is given a chance to argue for the reasons why they should be entitled to a bond. Now, certain drug cases and gun cases, there's a presumption of detention in the federal system. That can mean that it's very hard to get a bond. And in South Carolina, most of the judges tend to listen to that presumption. However, there's usually a detention hearing within 3 days, and the judge will then consider at that detention hearing and that bond hearing the risk of flight and the individual's danger to the community. Having a lawyer present at that time is important. There's only one chance, usually one good chance, at getting a bond in federal court. The information that needs to get in front of the judge needs to get in front of them at that first opportunity. So if you've been arrested and you have an initial appearance and a bond hearing, it's very important to hire experienced counsel. We've been doing this for 20 years, both the state side and the federal side, both as a federal prosecutor and now as a defense lawyer. We are always happy to help people. We're always happy to sit down and answer questions. We certainly do free consultations. So if you have any questions, please give me a call, 843-473-7000. I'm always happy to sit down and talk.